Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix sound or audio issues in the 7 Deadly Sins Origin game. So if you're facing any kind of sound or audio problem in this game, then here follow the fixes. The first fix is step to fix sound problem in the 7 Deadly Sins Origin game. So on your PC, open the Windows settings. On the left, click on System and click on Sound. Scroll down. Under Advanced, click on More Sound Settings. Now select your default device, for example speakers, and then click on Properties. Now go to the Spatial Sound tab and from the drop down here select Off, hit Apply, OK, and then go ahead, launch the game and check if a problem is solved or not. If not, and if Spatial Sound is already set to Off, then from the drop down here select Windows Sonic for headphones, hit Apply, OK, and then go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 2, makes your sound levels in game is set to 100%. So look for the audio settings within the 7 Deadly Sins Origin game menu and make sure that the volume and other audio settings are correctly configured. Make sure the volume bars are set to 100%. Further, if you are using headphones, then you may like to try using a speaker and see if that helps or not. Fix 3, now if you are using a Bluetooth headphones, then here follow the steps. Right click the Bluetooth icon in the system tray, select Show Bluetooth Devices, scroll to the bottom and then select More Devices and Printer Settings. Right click your headphones and select Properties. Now go to the Services tab, uncheck Hands-Free Telephony, Remote Control and Remotely Controllable Device. Then click on Apply and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if a problem is solved or not. Fix 4 is to set a default sound device. Click on sound icon in the system tray and make sure your system volume is set to 100%. Then select your audio device above your system volume. Select the sound device you are using for the game. After the sound device is selected, restart the game and then check if a problem is solved or not. Now fix 5 is to disconnect additional peripheral devices. So disconnect such peripheral devices that are not necessary, such as USB devices, camera, phone, etc. because sound settings can be altered by additional peripherals. So remove such peripheral devices and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if a problem is solved or not. So I hope by following these fixes, you can easily solve sound or audio issues in the 7 Deadly Sins Origin game. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.